Yeah, but you need to see the one to be able to follow the second one. How about the Conjuring? I haven't seen any of them. That's creepy. I want to see it. You have to see that movie. That movie is real. Yes. That's like the Amityville horror. I hated the Amityville horror.
See, Amityville, the original was cool.
So they see like advanced grammar composition and to them,
No yes, no yes. She synthesizes. No yes, no Whoa, it's a damn Why do you allow the cougar to have it?
Hey, you either got it or you don't, you know?
That's it.
I got it.
Careful with my tape. It's all cut out,
Oh, it's so scary. I'm pissing it down. Bottle of water, sure. Ice.
Already dead.
I just